I can take a little grinder and make it thin again. But yeah, they were a little tighter than the Jans No tires. Let's put the valve stem on the outside, give it as much as we can. I can't remember how I went about doing this. And I may have, I think this might work. Trying to inch it around the rim. Hopefully you can see what I'm trying to lay down. Yeah, these are seeming to fit a little tighter. Maybe it's the wheel. Because like I say, the tires, the factory tires,